Hello everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to talk about bottom chord restraint spacing. There is now an option when listing a truss to be able to change the bottom chord restraint spacing on individual trusses if required. So to do this, we can use the li command to list a truss or all our trusses. In this example, we're going to list one truss, so we'll take N1. And in your truss editor, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see we have under the effective length factors, we have bottom chord restraint. And so if I change this value from 600 millimeters to 1000 millimeters, and we say keep, we will see here the asterisk is telling us that it's been updated. And if we zoom into our truss design summary, we still have only the 600 bottom chord restraints showing. And so I need to update my on-page report or my design summary. So to do that, I run the OR command to rerun the on-page report. And we now have the 1000 millimeter bottom chord restraint spacing for the individual truss that we changed. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching.